Alright guys, we're making our way up to the bottom shaft entrance from up there. I see they got a new sign posted up here. Let's see what it got to say.
Fat deposits that allow the bats to survive the winter. Federal Endangered Species Act. Or imprisoned up to a
Attention,
year.
endangered species hibernating. Do not enter this hibernation site. The hibernation site contains federally protected bat species. These bats forage and mate in this vicinity as well as hibernate at this site in winter. The foraging provides critical fat deposits that allow the bats to survive the winter. To disturb these bats is a violation of the Federal Endangered Species Act. Really?
Why is this water pumped out of this?
Did you see how they put this on?
There's a pipe running underneath.
Yeah, there's a pipe running out of here that lets the water out.
It's the drain. Yeah, that fills up in there. But there you have it, guys. U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, Pennsylvania Game Commission. They shut this down for a bat.
They put it up there, but it's rusted. But we haven't seen this recently. That's what I don't understand.
was
We
just
walked
put
to
up
his
there.
door many times.
The fuck was that?
Bro, that sounds like a friend or somebody. Like that sounds like a sound me and a friend would be.
Let's get out of here. Did you sound like a pterodactyl?
Bro, that don't sound normal.
That's what they're protecting.
There's definitely something up there, bro.
Let's work our way up out of here to see what happens.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like we're just sitting there reading it and you knew you
that sound just wasn't good.
No.
Back this way.
That's where we gotta go.
We got to go.
They turned this shit into some Jurassic Park type of shit.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That big door is the door to Jurassic Park.
Hibernating species. Come on, man. That's the best they could come up with. Why didn't they close down Little Caverns? I talked to a dude who said they had over 10,000 bats flying through there within the last 4 years, and now today they only got like
bro,
3.
This is spring. They
3
put that
or
up
4.
towards the end of winter. Why wouldn't they have put it up at the beginning of winter when we first started coming up here? This is now entering spring.
They didn't put that.
That sounds new.
Video of Kyle going in there for them to actually do
Yeah, that's when they put it in there.
It's
When
when
he
Kyle
said,
went down.
"Yep,
because your dad's finding something.
them 3-toed tracks, they don't want nobody knowing about."
That's wild to me, bro.
And that's the way they're protecting them.
Uh-huh. Lying about it.
Okay, but we were looking at that sign, reading that sign, and that movie.
Because trust me, I'm a big sign reader. I'll read every sign before I do something stupid.
Don't read one of those signs.
That's different.
Keep your eyes out for that dinosaur we just heard. Sound like a pterodactyl.
Uh-huh.
That's no bullshit, guys.
Woo! Look at this.
Big feather.
Big feather. That's huge. What would that stick into?
It looked like a raven or something.
Huge bird.
Could be turkey.
Could be a turkey, yeah. Turkey do get big.
It's all wrapped up.
That's like a spiral.
Yeah,
tree,
guys.
bro.
Normally I would shut it off right here.
You see this tree growing like circles?
Look at them scratches going up that tree.
Yo. Like something just.
Uh-huh. But yeah, guys. Normally I shut it off right here.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, what the hell is that?
Bro.
Is
It's
that
got the
from?
weirdest distinct sound. Bro.
That's not
It's a
there.
distinct sound. Like you can hear it among all the other sounds in the woods right now. Like this. Whoo, like it's like a friend sound. Like me and my friends be making.
Hopefully the camera's picking it up.
I know that'd be dope.
There's some crazy Jurassic Park sounds coming from down that way. Jeffrey's already running out. Let's see what happens.
It's beautiful though. I was on the outside.
Yeah, it's great. It's one of the better days of the year right here.
There it goes again. It's like a claw.
It's different. That sound was different than the last time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They keep getting different. Like when we was up there, we was hearing way different. You hear it? It sounds like a bullfrog mixed with something else. Like it's not humming with its beak, it's humming with its throat. Like a claw. It's not doing it with like a flute box. It's doing it with its throat.
I don't know, guys, but normally I would shut this off. But just not right now. Not with all these sounds going on. All these restrictions. Huh?
That the merch is now priceable, like we got the prices right, and that the stuff's all affordable. Legit, we got the shirts that are on sale. Everything's on price now. I love it.
Jeffrey been putting in hard work, guys,
Yeah, I'm about to start. I just made a new green shirt. I'm
on the
about to get one.
merchandise.
And they're cheap, guys.
Check
like, legit.
it out.
Price affordable range.
He's got some great designs on these shirts.
I made a new pair of leggings. They're cheaper, twice as much as cheap.
Yeah.
Legit. The last one was
And-
like 50 bucks. These ones are only probably
He
like
lowered the
25.
price so low that I can't even afford it.
Yeah. I'm gonna go afford it.
So definitely check that out, guys.
Next week is the Jeff merch.
Yeah, we're gonna get some of it. Definitely go check that out, guys. Now that I got this area pretty much out of my system, and I'm gonna be done with it. I'm gonna leave it alone before I get myself in trouble. We got some other news sites I want to introduce to you guys. At the same time, I'm gonna keep monitoring all the old sites. But guys, this is probably the best I can do with this one, under the circumstances of everything being restricted.
Oh, that looks so cool. The water's running outside of this log. Looks like it's coming off the log. That's cool. Whole pond on the side. Whoa, look at it float on the rock. You gotta think, sooner or later, Dad, this is all gonna be coexisting. Like, it's not gonna be there.
Right.
Like that water is just gonna keep channeling its root. It's just gonna be like a little passage of water.
It's coming from under the ground.
No, I don't think it's coming from the top.
It's coming from under the ground.
Oh yeah, it's probably natural spring water.
To the right. To the right. At Morgantown Mall. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead
See y'all later.
and end this right here. We're working our way back up out of here. But like I said, guys, I'm gonna get this place out of my system, leave it alone. This ain't been nothing but bad from day one. This is my last trip here, guys. But we got some new spots coming up here soon. By the time you get done watching this, I'll be ready to show you guys the next spot. But until then, guys, thanks for hanging with me through all these hard times this month. Thanks for sticking it out. And definitely hit that like and subscribe. And stay tuned for this next crazy adventure, guys. Stay tuned.